Hey, what's going on? And welcome back. We are so pumped to get this information in your hands so that you can start making serious money on Upwork. We realize that this claim seems a bit far-fetched, especially when most of the information online about Upwork and other freelancing sites tells you the exact opposite. But trust us, this process really works and it's so much easier than you probably think. Before we get into today's lesson, let's give you a quick overview of everything else that's coming your way so you know exactly what's coming up. This will help you to see where everything fits in and also make sure you don't skip any sections. Every piece is vital to achieving the end result. Lesson 1 will explain the importance of narrowing down your niche, explaining exactly what a niche is and why it is key to attracting the kind of clients that you want to work with. This will provide you with a foundation like that of an earthquake-proof building that they have in Japan that will set you up for rock-solid success. We'll jump into that in just a second. Lesson 2 is all about putting yourself on a pedestal to make you more desirable to those clients that you'll identify in Lesson 1. We'll show you exactly how to position yourself as the champ and get clients thinking about you in the same way that millions of fans thought about Muhammad Ali. Lesson 3 will show you exactly how to locate elusive, high-paying, high-quality clients on Upwork using simple, transferable strategies to quickly and easily locate best jobs out there worth your time in applying to. We'll teach you how to become the Indiana Jones of the Upwork job boards as you venture your way towards discovering these hidden, high-paying treasures. Lesson 4 will show you step-by-step how to write a kick-ass written proposal. We'll teach you how to become masters of the written word and create works of art more persuasive than Casanova himself. Lesson 5 will teach you the secret weapon to landing clients, how and why you should always use the magical medium of video to give potential clients a real insight into your character and personality. We'll teach you how to win clients and influence people like your name was Dale Carnegie. Lesson 6 will walk you through how to have an initial consultation call with clients that you meet on Upwork and teach you why it's important. We'll have you performing sales calls with clients like you were Zig Ziglar. Lesson 7 explains how to put together your final proposal, including a quotation. We'll teach you how to get your clients to devour every word of what you have to say as if they were cruising through their favorite novel in the Harry Potter series. Lesson 8 will teach you exactly how to close the deal. We'll teach you how to follow up with clients using finesse and knock down deals like Mariano Rivera used to close out games for the Yankees. Lesson 9 will show you exactly how to keep making consistent, easy wins, building on the momentum of your success. We'll teach you how to keep your Upwork stone rolling like your name was Mick Jagger. Lesson 10 is all about those tricky money conversations, maintaining your rates and negotiating. We'll teach you how to negotiate and become the John F. Kennedy of the Upwork world. Finally, in the final lesson, we'll include a summary highlighting the essential takeaways from this course. A powerful review of the most important stuff you need to take along with you on your Make Money on Upwork journey. So that's what you have to look forward to. Exciting, right? Let's get into it then. Are you ready for lesson 1?